understandably, they did have a greater star count yesterday, starting out with their team captain, none other than Rrgotorres.
This first attack, I think, is really just going to be prescient, giving us an entire look at what to expect from the whole war. Team Elevate's entire strategy is to play the solid defense that got them to this tournament here. They only picked up 12 stars in their war yesterday, but the clutch factor there was that not a single one of their bases got tripled. That is what they're going to try to hold off once again with Rrgotorres, one of the strongest attackers on the other side, moving in for their first hit.
He used the Yeti blimp method. He pulled out the Clan Castle. He's created pathing, but with the scatter shot being in that area, I'm pretty confident Rrgotorres would have wanted the scatter shot down, only got a little bit of damage onto it. How crucial will that be? If we know anything, though, about Rrgotorres, he is a master at fixing attacks. Interestingly, not going with his coveted Queen charge for this one, just diving the heroes into the Town Hall, but it seems he's calculated this perfect, where he has the Queen and the ability, will take that down and get even more value with the Dragon Riders now moving on in from the left.
Rrgotorres is in contention for an MVP award this season, having picked up back-to-back triples. And as you've outlined so far, Judo, this attack looking very strong already, but having to face off against multi-target Infernos in the last remaining compartment and still well-protected air defenses. A lot of the space has gone down, but the little bit that still does remain on the backside is very difficult to deal with.
Yeah, I think that's actually why Rrgotorres has opted for the heal spell here, because of the Dragon Riders. Now, he's got to use it early. Dragon Riders are quite slow. You can see they kind of hover in the same area for quite some time. And because there's a huge amount of splash damage in this area, it means he can heal the Dragon Riders back up, or attempt to. And as long as he has them move into the final area with good health, it doesn't matter if they have 1% HP left, as long as they got through. But unfortunately, Woody doesn't have the RC to help here. He sent in the rocket balloons, he missed the air defense, and the Dragon Riders taking huge damage now.
He lost his Grand Warden as well, and one of the rocket balloons falling down to the Seeking Air Mine was just too much to handle. Rrgotorres with a beautiful start, but the defenses at the end will hold up. And I think that this speaks very, very well for Team Elevate's chances to pull off victory. We were saying at the outset that Team Elevate's win condition here is to defend and to get those 12 or 13 stars that have been so reliable for them. TOMPINAI Empire really wants to open up with all guns blazing to pick up a 14-star, just as they did in their prior victory against Darkest Musan. They picked up even 13 against HT Family. So the fact that they've been held off in their first hit